Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vichita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to show the 30% syllabus in the course of the office assistantship for the intervocational first year students. Okay, let me see the one by one like a GFC English and your main important course related subjects. Okay, let me see the one by one. Like a first one is the foremost thing is the so GFC is a common subject for everyone. Okay, if you know the deleted subject, you may concentrate on other topics. Okay, so here unit 1. Okay, these are all the unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4 topics are deleted content only, 30% deleted content. These are all the things are no need to read. Okay, so next coming to the English. Okay, English. These are all the topics are deleted content in occasional English language too. Okay. Okay. The complete picture. Here in this pic, I mentioned I have shown the writer's name also. Okay, so let's we enter into the office assistantship like your main important course related subjects. The first there are 3 papers will be there. The first paper is the for like a business organization. Okay, this is a deleted content for your course. Paper 1 business organization. This is the deleted content. Okay, paper 2 accountancy and computers. The paper 2 is the okay accountants and computers. Now same thing, maybe accounting taxation, the same this unit is this subject is main I think common for the accounting taxation and office assistant also common I think. Okay, these are all the things. Okay, I think same, not think same only. Okay, in the accounting and taxation course, I have read the all the topics deleted. If you it's not unable to identify these words, you can go through the previous video like accounting taxation. In that video, I have read some of the you are unable to identify the words. I have read, so by following my voice also you can write it. Okay, so these are all topics. So next unit 4 continuation, unit 5, deleted content this one. Okay, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8. Next paper 3 paper 3 is the shorthand, correspondence and data entry on computers. This is the third paper for the office assistantship. Okay, paper 3 continuation up to here only 7 serial number 7 will be there. We will continue the sorry this paper again it came. Okay, okay, here this paper 3 is the shorthand, correspondence, data entry. Okay, here like 9 units will be there in this. So till now I have discussed the GFC English and your course related subjects. I have discussed, not discussion, I have shown the 30% deleted content. Okay, so all the best my dear students, work hard and get the good result, and you have to pass and get the good results. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.